think I need to stand on existing protocol. There is no actually time. Is that aggressive people one after the other. But of course, in the course of my delivering my speech, if I see those I know, of course, I'm going to call their names. It's been a while I attended a public event like this. So I think it might be quite hard to know who is who. A lot of mix-up. I'm quite happy to be here tonight, at least seeing a lot of people, especially those on the table. I made an inquiry that how much does it cost to sit on this table? And they told me it's 1 million. So there is no problem. Just make sure you are going to write a statement how you got the money. And later you say Nigeria is hard. So you write a statement how you get the money. I want all Nigerians to support the security agencies in Nigeria to maintain law and order, especially with the challenge we are facing in terrorism. I'm sure you know that the dirty girls are back. You can go and rescue her yourself. I'm sure nobody is willing to spread that news that they are back, so I'm doing it myself. I want to use this opportunity to remind my cabinet that we are here to serve Nigeria and Nigerians. And if you are not willing to do so, of course, you can say something nice. Goodbye. And then we will understand. I want to recognize some of my Igbo friends here. I have a friend of mine called Ezego. Is he here? Where is he? I said Ezego. That is in interpretation the king of money. And those that have money doesn't make noise. You are a poor person. That is why you are shouting. That aside, I also want to recognize the presence of Mr. Henry. Is he here? H. Okay. All the same, they are my good friends. It's nice to recognize people like this. Election is by the corner. So we need sponsors. I also want to encourage Nigerians to get their PVCs for election. I think you need it, it's quite important. You can use it to vote me out if you so wish. But it's quite difficult. You need more than PVC to vote out the truth. I learned FIRS is here. Where is it? You are doing quite a wonderful job. Nigerians appreciate you. I think they deserve an applause. I don't want to spend much time, so I will give this opportunity to people who just 5 questions. Only 5 questions. I know you have a lot of questions, but I will only entertain 5 this night. Thank you.
Chief. All right. Okay. Please do want to tell us your name, your local government, and your HIV status.
Mr. President, sir.
You can do better by saying no. Thank you.
Sir, are you running for 2019, sir?
Am I what?
Are you running? Are you running 2019?
Well, whoever runs, they are pursuing him. So they are not pursuing. Why should I run? Thank you.
Your Excellency, sir, why did you take you so long to visit Benue State in regards to the Benue killings?
I don't need anybody to tell me I'm from there. So probably you are here to bring challenges. All the same, when things happen, just like it happened in Benue State, the most important thing is to take action. Not really visiting. What would my presence do there? Will I carry on or will I go for surveillance? So what we need is an immediate action. And that is what we did. Thank you very much.
Good evening, Your Excellency. Please, can you tell us that since Nigeria came out of recession, the economy is still in shambles, Nigerians are still poor, there's no money, there's hardship everywhere. What can you do to improve our lives? Thank you.
For you to be there alone, I think you are alive. How did you get the money to pay and come here? And you are on a table of 1 million. Why can't you be sincere for once? Huh? I doubt if Nigerians are suffering. If they are, they will not be here. What we have here are Nigerians, not Ghanaians. Thank you.
Your Excellency, good evening. I want to ask, we on behalf of us on the table, it's not just me. The Dachi girls came back with shopping bag and boxes. So I want to know whether the army has constructed a shopping mall in Sambisa Forest. Thank you, sir.
I wish I would have answered that question. But possibly you are a journalist. I hear you every day on Wazobia. So I think you know better than any other person. So you should go and investigate. If you ask me, who will I ask?
Can we take one more question?
Which is the last one, please?
Thank you, Mr. President.
Good evening, Your Excellency. We want to know how you intend to help Ghana fight corruption.
The what?
We want to know how you intend to help Ghana fight corruption.
Okay. First of all, why I promised Ghana, I'm going to help them fight corruption. We have enough experience of corruption in Nigeria. We have a lot of corrupt people. So Ghana might not have that experience. So why not help your brother? And especially when you need. So thank you very much.
Mr. President.
Mr. President, sir.
Yes.
With all the snakes and monkeys moving around, don't you think Nigeria needs fumigation?
I hope they need this. And I will advise you to be careful so you don't get swallowed as well. Very much careful. Thank you very much. I want to use this opportunity to introduce somebody, Marvelous Joe. A very good job. I'll be helping a lot of people in Nigeria to get their rights. I'm talking of no any other person but the ordinary president, MLM. When they talk of the Kiti family, for those who doesn't know who is Mbelembe, this is the Olololo that is all over Abuja and even all over Nigeria. Thank you very much. You are doing a marvelous job. They call you ordinary president, but that is in disguise. So today, personally, you are confirmed. You are suitable to contest if you wish. Thank you very much.